The biggest credit mistake most people make is reacting emotionally instead of strategically. When people see bad credit, they panic. They apply for new cards, new loans, or anything that looks like a solution. Every application creates a hard inquiry. Every inquiry signals risk. Stack enough of those together, and lenders stop trusting you. Another mistake is closing old accounts too early. It feels responsible, but it often makes things worse. Closing accounts shortens credit history and increases utilization at the same time. The third mistake is chasing quick fixes. Disputes, loopholes, and guarantees usually create more problems than they solve. Credit does not reward urgency. It rewards stability. People who stay stuck are not careless. They are constantly reacting instead of waiting for signals to change. The moment you stop reacting emotionally, credit becomes predictable. And predictable credit is fixable.